Okay, hello mga ka-travel. Welcome. Andito tayo ngayon sa Red Deer, Alberta. Yung kakain tayo sa Filipino restaurant. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Meron kasi kaming pinunta appointment. So ngayon kakain tayo sa Filipino restaurant. Okay. Ay. Alright, andito tayo ngayon sa Jake's Restaurant and Grill sa Red Deer, Alberta. So, andito pala ngayon mga senior. Andito ngayon si Luke Mijares, Ding Dong, and Jessa Zaragoza. So, this coming October pala concert nila. Pasok na tayo.
Tubig na to? Binano? Yan, bumira ba ng tubig?
Wala po. Ay, balik. Sige. Okay. Oops. Okay. Ito tayo. Kunin ng bag.
Dili na pa uwi. Di magdaging na na uwi. Pasabot sa imo. Tubig lang na
So okay. Samahan niyo kami. First time namin dito sa Jake's Restaurant and Grill. So ito yung Filipino restaurant. Pasok tayo. Okay. Tara. So it's gonna be laging, oops. Food outside food is not allowed. Okay. Oops. Hello.
It's fermented and the flavor
Ano siya mo nang bana ni kuan uncortis
I
meat.
mean, it's very powerful. As far as I can just smell, but it doesn't.
So yan si Erwan Yusuf yung asawa ni uncortis meat.
Remember? With vinegar. Yeah, vinegar or salted.
Oh, nahulog. Twink. Nahulog yung bag natin, nahulog. Yan yung bag natin, habagat. So, our very own bag.
Just eat it as a can be eaten as a snack.
Pancit platter, good for two. How about that? Pancit, fried noodles,
It's almost empty.
bihon
Like if you look at the
canton,
back,
Sige, ikaw. Ito na yung mga gusto.
barbecue, spring rolls.
Sige, kanay mo ganahan. Nakaawat ko.
every stall.
Kaya naggunit ng Google sa phone.
It's a nice experience. It actually feels like something you want to buy about. Not something like, oh, it smells like red fish. I'm gonna get out of here. Take time. And for me, like just the patterns, like how the red fish are made, everything. It's gorgeous. That it's more like that's a
Time.
especially that looks like a little flower. It's time for chicken again. It's the place to be. There's still no more focus on selling dressed native chicken cold battle for the last 35 years. A decade ago, Jesus Aneo Jr. and wife Evangeline decided to start serving their lechon manok. The already tastier native chicken is meticulously spices, salt, and lemongrass. Marinated in vinegar and lemon seeds and sprinkled with more lemongrass before being doused in a flavorful achue. It's a masterpiece prepared with the drama of the market, a feast for all the senses. Honestly, one of the best chicken dishes in the country.
Order nun. Okay.
Anong ginagamit nyo sa grill? Yung lava stone or yung anong pag yung sa grill ginagamit?
Ano po yun?
Ano yung grill na ginagamit nyo? Kasi merong tube na opo yung lumalabas. Yung isa meron silang lava stone. O yung iba uling, parang ganun ba? Anong ginagamit? So, kasi tinatanong ko kasi ba kasi meron kasi allergic sa lang yung lava stone, allergic sa mga ganun, yung iba uling. Kasi yung gamit niyo ba yung may tube tapos lumalabas na apoy? Yun. Sige.
Sorry po yan, hindi ko alam anong tawag doon.
Anong term? Yan na yan.
Okay, alright. Yan na yung order namin. Yan. Yan, rice.
Pero meron silang own Koreano yung isa pag nandito.
Yun. Sige.
Dito sila sa
Kakain na kami.
kusina nila, sa restaurant.
Yan. Alright, tingnan nyo ang laki ng barbecue nila, oh. Ayun.
Ang operate ng store, doon nakatulong lahat. Tulong natin sa kitchen. Kasi pag may mga problema, may mga dapat desisyon, pag nandyan ka, mabilis ka.
Kumakain na 7 at saka water lang tayo kasi ano tayo, healthy options, healthy diet. Yan, pinakbit, meron tayong barbecue, ang dami ng rice nila. Ayun. So 1 minute. Ang ko na ng pake. So,